Hello students, we are going to discuss about cooling tower problems. A horizontal spray chamber with recirculated water is used for adiabatic humidification and cooling of air. The chamber has a cross-sectional area 2 meters square with air flow rate or volumetric flow rate 3.5 meter cube per second. At initial condition DBT 65 degrees Celsius. Absolute humidity capital Y dash 0.017 kg of water per kg of dry air. The air is cooled and humidified, dry bulk temperature of 34 degrees Celsius DBT and leaves at 90% humidity. For the system, the volumetric mass transfer coefficient 1.12 kg per meter cube second mole fraction. So the density of the air is 1.113 kg per meter cube. Determine length of the chamber or height of the chamber for the requirement. From this problem, so this is the recirculating adiabatic humidification problem. So what is recirculation? Exit liquid back to the tub. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this figure shows that recirculating liquid gas humidification cooling. So from this tower, the bottom section is the 1, top section is the 2. So here liquid is entering at top, liquid is leaving at bottom. So the gas is entering at bottom, gas is leaving at top. So here the entering condition DBT 65 degrees Celsius, absolute humidity capital Y dash 0.017 kg of water per kg of dry air. So the leaving condition DBT 34 degrees Celsius, percentage humidity 90. Are you clear? Okay. So objective of this problem, determine the height of the tower or length of the tower. Given data, flow rate capital Q 3.5 meter cube per second, cross section area 2 meters squared, density of air rho is equal to 1.113 kg per meter cube. Initial humidity Y1 dash is equal to 0.017 kg of water per kg of dry air. KYA volumetric mass transfer coefficient 1.112 kg per meter cube second mole fraction. Initial DBT 65 degrees Celsius, final DBT 34 degrees Celsius, percentage humidity 90. To find length or height capital Z. Solution part, mass flow rate of air Gs is equal to volumetric flow rate into density. Volumetric flow rate and density is given in our problem. Substitute these two values, find out mass flow rate 3.8955 kg per second. Are you clear or not? Okay. So we want mass velocity Gs dash, mass velocity formula mass flow rate divided by area. Mass flow rate already calculated value, area given value, divide these two values, finally we get mass velocity Gs dash 1.9477 kg per second meter square. Are you clear or not? Okay. From humidity chart. So I hope all of you know the humidity chart. From graph 34 degrees Celsius, 90% humidity at outlet condition. So find out Y2 dash. Y2 dash is this is absolute humidity 0.03 kg of water vapor divided by kg of dry air. From humidity chart 34 degrees Celsius, 100% humidity. Why? Because 100% humidity line is a saturation line. So in this case, so the find out absolute humidity, that humidity is called as a absolute saturation humidity. YAS dash. Why? Because 100% humidity line is a saturation line. So from that graph 0.032 kg of water vapor divided by kg of dry air. Students, keep in your mind these two data taken from humidity chart or psychrometric chart. Take DBT 34 degrees Celsius. For outlet condition the humidity is a 90%. So find out the observed humidity value from that graph. Finally we get 0.03. So the same graph 34 degrees Celsius is a DBT, humidity only 100%. Why? Because this is saturation condition. So from saturation graph, take the humidity value. That humidity is a adiabatic saturation humidity YAS dash. So these two values are taken from humidity chart or psychrometric chart. What is the height formula? Z is equal to NTU into HTU. Here Z is equal to NTU and HTU formula substitute here. Ln of YAS dash minus Y1 dash divided by YAS dash minus Y2 dash GS dash divided by KYE. So GS dash is nothing but that is the mass velocity value. KYE is the volumetric mass transfer coefficient. These two values are given data. Here YAS dash, Y1 dash, Y2 dash, all the values are known. Substitute here, find out the answer 3.505 meter. So this is the height of the tower or length of tower. Thank you for your attention.